Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to use the magic eraser tool or how to remove the unwanted objects on your image or picture by using Google Photos on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, you just need to update your Google Photos on the Play Store. After updating the Google Photo on the Play Store, you just click on here. Now you just need to erase background by using Magic Eraser. So for that, first of all, click on the edit tool. Then after clicking on the edit tool, go to the tools option. So if the Magic Eraser not installed, click on it and you just need to wait it to still it will be download on your Google Photo. Download inside the Google Photo. Click on the Magic Eraser. Now it will be find some suggestion for you. So now I just going to erase this blue book here. So I just go with this. So we can see it's slightly changed. So I just going to change this cube. I just going to erase this cube. So it's erased like slightly. Still here. Yeah, it's gone. So now I just going to, you can see the difference. Now I just going to erase this whole, try to erase this whole cube. So I just mark it as like a circle. So we just need to wait for the preview. You can see the cube has been erased. This is how you just erase the unwanted objects or something objects on the background by using this magic eraser on your Google Photos, and it's available for every mobile phones. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.